In this video, I'm going to show you how to change currency in Expert option. Now, the first thing I must tell you is that you cannot change your account currency in Expert option after making your first deposit, okay? So your initial choice is going to be permanent. So the first time you actually deposit, it's very important because you'll be able to set your currency that time. So for me, as you can see here on my demo account, yes, I do have dollars and I can't actually change this right now. However, for my real account here, it's showing dollars, but when I try to top up, if I click on this plus button here or go to the deposit tab here on the left, I'll be able to select my initial deposit currency, and then that is going to be my account currency. So I'm going to go to, for example, Mastro or MasterCard over here, and then down here, as you can see, it's going to say ZAR. So that's, of course, depending on which country you are in, you'll see different currencies. And then here you can just click on that, and then you can click on whichever options you have. For me, I can only switch to USD, so I'm going to click on that, and my currency has now been changed to USD, and I'm seeing everything in USD. I can pay in USD, etc. Okay, so that's how you can change the currency. But whenever you make your initial deposit on your account, then you won't be able to change it anymore. You're gonna have to use the one that you actually have over here. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.